Diwali, the festival of lights. But for some, the light feels far away. Today I'm going to tell you a story about noticing a spark even when life feels heavy. There was once a man who felt that his life had turned to ashes. Everything he had worked for, his family, his job, his savings, his relationships, seemed lost. Every morning he asked himself softly, "Why should I keep going?" The world outside kept moving fast, but inside him, everything felt still, heavy, and empty. It was Diwali night. Outside, homes glowed with diyas. Laughter filled the air, fireworks lit up the sky. People were celebrating, sharing sweets and joy, but he couldn't feel any of it. He felt invisible, unnoticed, trapped in his own thoughts. Feeling hopeless, he went up to the terrace, thinking maybe this could be the end. Then across the street, he noticed a small diya flickering on a neighbor's balcony. The flame trembled in the cold air but didn't go out. He looked at it for a long time and thought, maybe it still has some oil left. Maybe that's why it's still burning. Something shifted inside him. He felt a little ashamed. If that tiny diya can keep going with just a drop of oil, then what about me? Has everything really been taken away from me to give up now? I still have so much left in me. My body works, my mind thinks. I have a roof. I'm still breathing. Then he remembered a story his grandmother had told him. Even when the wind was strong and the Hamsa bird couldn't find its way, it didn't give up. It just rested for a while and started its journey again when the sky cleared. It rose again, stronger, after it had rested and reset. He realized maybe that's what he needed to rest, to reset, and then start small. This time, he didn't think about big dreams or showing the world who he was. He just told himself, let me think about tomorrow. What will I eat? What time will I wake up and sleep? Just that, one day at a time. Weeks passed. One morning, as sunlight touched his face, he felt something warm. Not pride, not victory, just peace. He realized the Hamsa wasn't just a bird from stories. It lived inside every heart. The quiet courage to rise again, even when life feels heavy. If you ever feel alone this Diwali, remember, you are not ending. You are still here. Every small step, every breath, every little action, it's enough. You are transforming. Thank you for listening. Take a deep breath and rise gently. Happy Diwali, everyone.